Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome back to your English recorded session. I'm your teacher, Ms. Jazba, whoever I'm from the Smart School, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan Ijor campus. And we are currently discussing the chapter pothole, and in our live sessions we discussed that what actually pothole is, and how did that girl did the kind of a good deed in that as well. And really enjoyed explaining this chapter to you all. And now it's time for our topic of comprehension in RTC. So you all know that what we have to do, we just simply have to take out of our English copy, English literature copy. And after taking out your English literature copy, you all know that the first page is of title page. You need to make your title page, that is pothole title page. It is you can see that I have attached a picture from the book as well, but you can draw whatever you want to draw, whatever you think is suitable and good enough to put it on your title page. You all are very creative in this regard. So let's just move on to the next. Look at what our main work is, that is comprehension. Topic comprehension should be written over right next to red line. Date should be mentioned over here, that is today's date on the left hand side, and CW on the right hand side. You know that how we do all these works. So question number 1, answer the following questions. You need to write it like this: first topic comprehension, then question number 1, answer the following questions. Then you will write part A, and this part A should be written with blue color pencil. Yes, I know you all are very well aware of this fact, that you are how you have to maintain your copy properly with a very neat and clean handwriting. You need to write it with blue color pencil. Your pencil should be sharp enough to use even whenever you are sitting in a live session or even in a recorded session. Your all stationery box should be with you, like your pencil, sharpener, razor, blue color pencil. Your normal pencil should be with you always. So question number part A is, what had happened to the car that Faiza saw from her window? Answer is, it was stuck in the pothole. Now what is a pothole? Pothole was the a kind of a road was not properly made. It was गड्ढा सा बन गया था उसमें. It was not good for anyone who was going over there, because a lot of accidents were happening over there. It was first that she saw was, so what had happened to the car that Faiza saw from her window? It was stuck in the pothole, means it was stuck in that area that where the pothole was. Because of the pothole, a lot of accidents were happening over there on that road. Moving on to the B part. B, when did traffic jam occur and why? Traffic jam. When did a traffic jam over on the road where the pothole was occurred, and why did it occur? Answer is, the traffic jam occurred on August 1st on because of the pothole. Why did that traffic jam occur? Because of the pothole. And pothole was creating a lot of disturbances in that area, because it was because of that Faiza made a list in her diary as well, that what line wise, that of how many things were stuck over there and how many accidents have been happened due to this pothole. So one of this traffic jam occurred on the 1st of August, and because of that pothole, that traffic jam occurred. C, how many accidents had taken place in 2 weeks? So the answer is 9. Yes, because of that pothole, that accidents that occurred in that place in 2 weeks, just 2 weeks, were actually 9, and it was not good at all, and it was creating a lot of disturbances in the mind of Faiza. Like, she was really worried that how many accidents have been occurred, and how many have been people were really getting not properly going through that road, and बहुत सारे लोगों को परेशानियाँ हो रही थी. That's why what Pfizer did next was really interesting and good of her, that she actually built a place over it. She planted some flowers over it. Number D, which words are used to describe the pothole? The pothole is described as big, like a gaping mouth, waiting for its next victim. So that's what they describe it pothole as. That it was described like it was big and a gaping mouth. Gaping mouth means like a wide open Wide open means बहुत बड़ा मुंह खुला हुआ होता है. Like a gaping mouth waiting for its next victim. Victim means the person who's who's going to suffer injury or who's going to be harmed soon. So that's what the pothole waiting. The pothole was described as a big and a gaping mouth between and waiting for its next victim. Which things did Pfizer collect? Pfizer collected a whole lot of more things. So some of the things over here are mentioned that line wise we are going to write it like 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 things were being collected by actually Pfizer. So which things did Pfizer collect? Pfizer collected a basket, soil, compost means a mixture of leaves and to use improve the things that I used to improve soil. So that was the compost was small flowering shrubs, a watering can full of water, 3 long wood piece of wood, board pens, 3 large sheets of cards. These are the things that Pfizer actually collected to plant a tree outside the outside that pothole on that pothole. And why did she need 3 sheets and card and board pens? Because she put when she was working over there, she put a sign of road closed so that no one will go through that road, and until then she will complete all of her work. And when she completed her work, she took that sign with her as well. So she did all of the things. She collected a basket, soil, compost, small flowering shrub, a watering can full of water, 3 long piece of wood, board pens, 3 large sheets of card. So that's what Pfizer collected. F. Where did Pfizer place the 3 signs that she had made? Pfizer placed one sign at each end of the road. Then she placed the third sign in the pothole garden. Means Pfizer had actually placed one sign at each end of the road. यानी 2 signs उन्होंने इसने जो Pfizer placed at one end and second on the other hand, and the third was placed in the pothole garden. Means right next to the pothole garden, जहाँ पे she was creating her garden on potholes. So that's what she did. She placed one sign at each end of the road. Then she placed the third sign in the pothole garden. That's what Pfizer did. This is the end of your comprehension, and I am moving on to the RTC part. But first of all, you will finish all of this work properly with the how you will write the questions with blue color pencil and answers with your normal pencil. You will all do this work properly, and then moving on to the next page, you will start your RTC part. Very new page. You know the topic RTC. A lot of you were asking that what is RTC. Again and again I'm telling you that RTC means reference to the context. It is a short form of that word, and it means that how the thing is happening, where is happening, for example, this line I have attached over here, that I'm not waiting a moment longer. So means I will ask related to this line that who said this word, with whom it is saying, and why they are saying this, why did it happen, why did it happen, what are the things around them that made it happen. So these kind of things related questions means that what's the reference of this context, means what's the reference of this lines, from where do you have took it out, and why, where, why, and so many questions, and we have to answer all of these questions related to it. So that's what RTC is. Now moving on to the main topic, that is RTC. Write down the date on the left hand side and CW on the right hand side. And question number 2 is answer the questions about these lines from the story. We need to answer these questions about answers the questions about these lines from the story. Now what's the line? You know that you will write it in the center of your copy with blue color pencil, this part, that I'm not waiting a moment longer. Who said this? We will find out that who said this and why and where and what was the situation behind this these lines. This is what RTC is. So I'm not waiting a moment longer. You need to write it with your blue color pencil. Part A, why I have written down over here. You can just write, continue with the same page, and no need to start it from the next page. Why? Because I don't have a space on these PPTs and I try my level best to make one question at one page so that you can see it more clearly, and the font size much bigger so that you can see it more clearly. So part A is who said these words and why. Faiza, yes, Faiza said these words that after she had been keeping a law for over 3 years, means like she was waiting for them or someone to actually come up and work for that, but no one was coming over here, and no one was anyone they're coming to do the work related to this. But what she did was she did have a log that she was keeping over for 3 weeks. That's what she did in this regard. Means she was tracking the note that she was tracking that how over 3 weeks how many accidents and how many things have been happened. So Faiza said these words, and when did she said after she had been keeping a law for over 3 weeks. B part is quite a big question. You need to write it properly. That which words can best describe the mood of the speaker at this time. The speaker is obviously Faiza. So, does is was she angry, sad, fed up, cheerful, or determined? No, she was not angry. She was not angry. She was kind of sad as well, and she was fed up. She was angry too. She was fed up too. She was fed up as well, but not cheerful for sure. But more of them, she was all four of them, but she was more determined. She was more determined. Why? Determined means she was like she was strong on her belief that she is going to do that thing. She is going to, she's going to do some for those people who have been having accidents for so long. So she was more of a determined, not she was angry, sad, and fed up too, but she was more of a determined. So the answer of this question is determined. Number C. What did the speaker do after this? What did Pfizer did after this is after this Pfizer collects the material she needs. What she did when she decided that enough is enough. I have to do this work, and she just collected some material that we discussed in our comprehension as well. That what were those 8 things that Pfizer collected. So she collected all those material for her work she needs to do. D. Did the speaker's action have any effect? Means speaker के action में कोई ऐसे effect था, कोई वो था like something different? Yes, the pothole is fixed properly as a result. Yes, definitely. When we decide on to do something, like if we have decided that like we have to do that thing, if we just we are determined enough, we are strong enough on our decision, like Pfizer said that no, I will fix this thing, and she fixed it by making a garden over there, which attracted a lot of attention of people. They saw that what has happened, what does this girl do, and in reaction of hers, what happened that the mayor of the city, the governors and the people, and all over the people around that town, the chief of the police, they all saw that wow, that girl have done something over there. They all attracted with that garden of her. They attracted her towards that. Owners की attention grab की, and yes, after that the pothole was fixed properly as a result of that, and her garden was moved aside to the actual garden, and the road was properly fixed, and there were no more accident happened over there. Okay students, so that was the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed this comprehension and RTC session. I try my level best to explain it more and more through this comprehension and RTCs. I hope you all liked it, and the lesson we have learned in this chapter was like we have to do if we are seeing that someone is having any problem, or कोई problem create हो रही है in any regard over there, or any problem that we are seeing in front of us, we need to stand, we need to do work for people as well. Not only we have to become selfish for ourselves and do things for only our selfish reasons, but no, we need to do work for others as well. We need to help out these people as well. So that was it, and I hope you really enjoyed this story as well. The lesson we have learned in this story is also very good, And inshallah, we will all meet in our live sessions soon enough. Till then, you all take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.